All right, well, let's get on with the tip. There are many times that I find that I need to cut trim or molding at an angle greater than my miter saw will allow or has been designed for. And for these situations, I use an acute angle jig, and you can do that in the shop or on the job site. And I'm talking real sharp angles here. I've made several of these jigs over the years, and I've learned that each miter saw has different dimensions, quirks, and sizing. So you're gonna have to fit your jig to your saw. I actually use two different types of jigs. I keep them both available. One is used for thinner, small moldings like casings, baseboard, band moldings, and the other is set up for larger moldings or cutting on edge like this, or cutting nested crown. I end up showing you both in the video. These jigs increase your cutting capacity of your miter saw. It basically makes your 0 degree mark a 45-degree cut. Once clamped to your saw, you set that blade to 5 degrees on either side, either direction, and you're now producing a 50-degree angle cut. Set the saw another 5 degrees, 55, another 5 from that, 60, and so on and so forth. Guys, sometimes the simplest jigs can be the most used and the handiest, and this acute angle jig for the miter saw, it fits that bill. It's going to give you an acute angle cut, much safer and a lot better. If you'd like to learn more information on how to build this jig, check out my video on my Conquered Carpenter YouTube channel.